Reading deleted messages on WhatsApp is a common curiosity, but there are a few workarounds that can help you retrieve some of them if you're looking to do so. One approach is using notifications. When a message arrives, WhatsApp typically sends a push notification that briefly displays its content. If you have notifications enabled, you may catch the message before it's deleted. Another method involves third-party notification history apps. These apps capture and store notifications that pop up on your phone, allowing you to view a message's original content even if it's deleted later. However, be cautious when using third-party apps, as they may collect your data or compromise privacy. Another trick is restoring from a backup. WhatsApp offers daily, weekly, or monthly backup options, allowing you to retrieve messages that were deleted after the most recent backup. Uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp can trigger the restoration process, and the deleted message may reappear if it was included in the backup. This method, however, only works if the message was deleted after the latest backup. Keep in mind that WhatsApp doesn't officially support recovering deleted messages, so these are just possible workarounds, and none are guaranteed to work in every case.